All right, Coalminer's Reel. First tune I learned on a whistle. I've never really learned it on a fiddle, but I've got some students who are learning it. Okay, a couple of things. First, just to remind you, keep your fingers down when you can, so you're playing the G with your ring finger. Keep it really close. And now I'm going to be playing the B with the index. So ooh. Now you could have the index finger on the B already there, right? Now I'm going to rock the ring finger on my left hand, which is playing the G. I'm going to rock it to play the D. Notice how little movement there is in my left hand. That's one of the tricks to being able to play fast. I'm a guitar player. Same thing in a guitar. If you can keep a finger down, you do. So the next thing you want to work on is the right hand, is that bowing, is that crossbow. So what I'm doing is, now the triplet there is on an up bow. So that's in your wrists. So here it's on an up bow. So I'm playing the B to the G. Now it's got to be, what was that, the D to G, B to G, and then the E to G on an up bow. So one bow on the D to the G, one bow for the B to the D, one bow for the D to the G, one bow for the B to the G, one bow for the A to the G, Now, there's no one way to bow, so it's not like this is the way to do it. This is just introducing some ideas. Now the B part, left hand again. So that you can have that G and the D. Keep that D finger down. All right, so I hope that helps. And I might just sit here and play. I might just sit here and play that tune for a little while. It's a lot of fun.